All filled up. Snake?
Snake?
It's all filled up. What's a snake say? I'll go look for 'em. I'll see if I can find them. Politely, please. That's right, Gabriel. Please.
Can David have some goggles?
No, I don't think he's going to be putting his head underneath the water.
The big kids can?
Where are the big kids?
Right here.
Oh,
The little kids can have no goggles.
no goggles for little kids, huh? Thanks, Amira.
Is that you?
Yeah, you throw them in the water and then they like propel her down.
Oh, really?
But
They're like
in a little
this.
pool like
real
this, it's
deep
not gonna not gonna do much. But for like when we're at the Y and stuff.
Are you splashing?
Woohoo!
That's fun.
Here.
You got it. You have it.
No.
No.
Huh?
For me.
Who should have it?
Pauline is looking for goggles for you, my dear.